Hey guys, we are doing very well today. Today, 15th of August, Sunday, and we enjoy the summer and also and crypto market is just heating up. So today we have some value-packed news about Bitcoin on-chain data and also the some all-time high details and a lot of other useful information. So please smash the like and the bell notification or subscribe to the channel to get all these value-packed information every day. I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news every day. Let's share my screen and jump into our favorite bubble chart. As you see, altcoins are correcting today. Few of them are pumping like helium, up 7%, Ethereum Classic 13%, XRP another 5%, Dogecoin almost 8%, Rune, Torchain 7%, Dash 5%, BTG 11%, and Solana is pumping well, 18% up today, and Luna 2%, but few altcoins are in red and just correcting. But you know, guys, that Ravencoin, XDC just pumped so huge in the past few days, so that is why they are correcting. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. Let's see if we are in the greed zone or yes, 71, we are in greed. So still seems to be that greed is back. People are more just optimistic for the future. As you see, in the last 3 months, the crypto fear and greed index was around 20 in the extreme fear category, and now just went up to the neutral zone around 50, and now back to 70 and 71 to the greed territory. But you know, guys, what that does mean. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a good buying opportunity. So the past 3 months was an amazing buying opportunity. But when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction, but not just the index turned to greed territory for a few days back. So I don't think that the correction is on the horizon. So let's get into our today news. BTC price passes for 47,000 US dollar. Worst case scenario as Bitcoin realized cap hits all-time high. Okay, so for BTC price action this week with the market still below the 50,000 level. Okay, 37,000 is tuning heads, but it's fact only the worst case scenario. Yes, Bitcoin price no longer in its worst case scenario. That's huge. Also, they are writing about the China minor crackdown and all other bearish thing that's happened. And let's see what's happening here. On a month by month basis, BTC USD should then continue rising to hit an end year worst case scenario price at 135,000 US dollar. So according to plan B, the worst case scenario was 47,000 US dollar in August, and Bitcoin already reached that. And you see for September 43, October 63, and November 98, and December 135,000. Realized cap joins hyper bullish Bitcoin metrics. So you see that Bitcoin price and the 200-week moving average and realizing cap all rising, plan B added. And that's huge that the realized cap is also booming. The capital stored in the Bitcoin network just broke an all-time high. Statistically, Wu responded on Twitter. The network has more money in today at 47,000 than it did at 64,000 in realized cap estimates this by summing the price paid for every coin in BTC circulating supply. So here you see the Bitcoin price in gray and the realized cap with yellow, and you see this surge and this increase in the realized cap. Okay, so that's the news. And also the stock to flow model seems to be validated. I made a tweet about this, and let's check it if we can get this here. Okay, Bitcoin back into track. So we are about the 200-week moving average and also about the realized cap, and also the tweet that was a sentiment that the worst case scenarios are validated and stock to flow is still intact. So the next piece of news, Bitcoin off-chain data points to more upward movement for BTC price. So crypto just sees a 2 trillion market cap once again after first time after May, since May. And then, yeah, regardless of the legislative outcome, this discussion is putting crypto at the forefront of US policy and generating more public awareness about blockchain technology. Another result is that traditional financial institutions will likely increase accumulation of cryptocurrencies if policy clarifications are formally adopted. So this is about what is going on with this senator infrastructure bill of the Senate and passing to the House, and also other regulation stuff. So all these are useful to get Bitcoin more attention, and also just onboarding more and more institutional and private investors. Holders is strong, so long-term holders reaching an all-time high of 82.6% recently, and that's amazing. Conversely, the supply pool of short-term holders has continued to decline, dipping to around 20%. Okay, so long-term holders are increasing and short-term holders are decreasing. Whales have continued to hold. So Bitcoin holders between 100 and 10,000 BTC have yet to sell off their coins to pocket a quick profit. The total BTC held by these addresses now stands at 8.2 million, which matches its previous all-time high reached on July 28. With a projection that Bitcoin price will soar from its current price of around 45,000 to beyond 70,000 by the end of the year, many investors are already looking forward to being a part of this historic price rise. Okay, no major panic selling, so nobody's selling. There is no panic selling, and also you shouldn't be panic selling. So that's for sure. So guys, let's go to our next news. And Bitcoin firm reveals its total BTC reserves, urges other crypto exchanges to disclose holdings. Yeah, so it's BitMEX. About BitMEX, BitMEX says that it holds 110,000 Bitcoin worth 5.2 billion at time of writing. So it's enormous amount. And also, you know, there was a settlement against BitMEX. The order requires the BitMEX entities to pay a 100 million civil monetary penalty and provides that up to 50 million of the penalty may be offset by payments the BitMEX entities make or are credited pursuant to a contest of assessment of civil monetary penalty. Okay, so that was a fine, 100 million that BitMEX paid because there was an issue that they didn't make any KYC that time, and they also allowed US citizens to trade on their platform. The next piece of news, Cardano ADA becomes third largest cryptocurrency, overtaking Binance Coin and Tether. So also I mentioned this yesterday, and as the news came out that Cardano will launch its mainnet in September, and all other Cardano related projects, that ADA price has swelled 46.5 percentage, pushing the asset market capitalization to 65 billion. Okay, so now it's getting closer and closer, but we are far from that ADA would overcome ETH, Ethereum. And that's for sure, it's good news. And also EDA, as the mainland launch will be ready, that we will get more and more news about EDA. The next piece of news, IRS, the tax authority of the United States, in bone to crypto, will reportedly ignore how will defines broker. Bitcoin rises. Okay, so you know, guys, that there was the Senate that they were not able to amend that what the crypto trader definition is, and now it seems to be that IRS are just coming out and saying that they will. Citing an unnamed department official, Bloomberg said Friday that Treasury won't go after crypto entities that don't meet the tax code's definitions of a broker. Guidance on the matter could come next week, the report said. Okay, and IRS said any service. Okay. So what's the main point here? The main point that IRS will decide if a company provide a service provider is a broker or not, and miners, stakers, staking providers, node operators will be not considered as a trader. So that's for sure. Let's check what Max Keiser is predicting. Max Keiser unveils new $2 million Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin news and analysis. And that's bullish. There is a film that Max Keiser is doing, and they are tagging a lot of things. And also he added that he expects Bitcoin to go up to $2 million US. So let's check our TradingView charts. As you see, Bitcoin on the daily chart just broke this upward trending trend line, and that was huge at 21 and 22,000. Also broke this horizontal trend line, and now Bitcoin is seeming to losing some momentum, and it's a little bit weak, but this is good for building more fundamental and also gaining some momentum here. So I think that next week we will see some nice movement, even retesting this 41, 42,000 zones that would grant a nice buying opportunities. And I think this way down, it's all these are good buying opportunities. But you know that this is not a financial advice. This is not an investment advice. This is just for educational purposes, and you should do your own research. Let's check Ethereum. What Ethereum is doing, not Euro USD. That's, we are not interested in Euro USD. So Ethereum is also consolidating, but a little bit more. I see more strength on Ethereum, but now it stopped here, and also this 3,000 US dollar will be a nice support, because also we see when turning on the VPVR, that Bitcoin, that Ethereum is starting to get more and more volume here in this level, so more and more trades it's seeming to happening here. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. What I wanted to show you that you should definitely check out all the Ethereum related news, like Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, and also Ethereum to 14,000 US dollar, Ethereum flips Bitcoin, Ethereum to rally. So check these videos, and also you should definitely watch the Helium miner for free, because you can get a Helium miner and earn some share rewards when using these Helium miners. So guys, please just smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and also subscribe on the channel, that you will be notified. Push the all, you will be notified whenever we are going live. So hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow, and enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.